Here. We got some really neat options. We've got a couple of air Venturi compressors, and we have a new Airforce. Not so much a compressor. We're going to call this one the Epump, like they call it. Really neat unit. Will fill your gun up to 4,500 psi. The Nomad from Air Venturi will also go up to 4,500 psi, filling your gun. And then the full-size Air Venturi, that's for filling tanks. These guys are not for filling tanks. So we have a decibel meter here. We're going to be seeing what kind of sound we get out of these. Right now with me talking, we're up about 79 decibels. Quiet in here is around 40. So first thing we're going to do is we will turn on the Airforce. Our power is over here. Actually, we don't even turn it on. We need to connect it. So connect it up to our Marauder. We're going to fill this from 1,000 psi to 3,000 psi. We will turn on our on switch. The E-pump is now functioning. It has an automatic shut-off at the 3,000 psi we're looking for, so we don't have to watch this. And right now we're sitting at, I'm seeing about 84 decibels up close to this. And we're going to let this guy run because this is an E-pump. It's very quiet. It's also fairly slow, so I figured somebody who has an apartment where they don't want to make a lot of noise with a typical compressor, this would be a good option. Not fast, but efficient. So, next one we're going to go to is the Nomad. So, we'll get the Nomad connected up. This Marauder, we're going to be bringing this one from 2,000 psi to 3,000 psi. So we will turn on the power here. Oh, I can't turn on the power if it's not plugged in. So Nomad is kicked on its cooling fans. We're talking about 91 decibels just with the cooling fan running. We will start the pump. So it's sticking somewhere around 87 to 90 decibels. Our Airforce over here, finally get up to 1,000 psi, so it's starting to fill that gun. The Nomad is already bypassed 2,000 psi. It's starting to fill the gun. I expect this to finish in about a minute or two. So right now, of about 95 decibels right now. Give you an idea. We're up to 2,500 psi on this one already. Slightly above 1,000 on this one. So price-wise on these, you're talking $650 for the Nomad, $850 for the Airforce E-pump, and the Air Venturi large size compressor for scuba tanks and buddy bottles and everything you need. That one's $1,300. We are almost up to pressure. The needles are coming together. And there we are. We've already filled up 1,000 psi with this guy. So now we will take this and we will bleed it up. Disconnect the gun. That one's ready to go. Power it off. Our E-pump is still cranking along. We're at about 1,200 psi over here. Let's switch quickly over to the Air Venturi over here on the floor, the big one.